Question 7. We've got 102 boys and 85 girls took a test. The table shows the information about the mean marks in the table. They tell us the pass mark for the test was 70. Was the mean mark for all these students greater than pass mark? Okay, so what we can do is we can find the total amount of marks and we can find the total amount of students, and then that will give us the mean mark per student. So if we do that first, we've got total students here. So let's add a column. So the total amount of students was 102 plus 85. So in total, we've got 187 students. To get the total marks of the boys, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the amount of boys by their mean mark. So we've got 102 boys and their mean mark was 68.5. So we've got 102 times 68.5. Let's take our calculator. We can just put that in the calculator. We've got 102 times 68.5. That gives us 6,987. So we've got 6,987 marks for the boys. We're going to do the exact same for the girls. So we've got 85 girls multiplied by their mean mark to get the total amount of girls' marks. That's 85 times 72.4. Take our calculator again. We've got 85 times 72.4. That's 6,154. 6,154. We're going to add the total amount of boys' marks and add the total amount of girls' marks. That will give us the total number of marks of all the students. So that's 6,987 plus 6,154. Take our calculator again. We've got 6,987 plus 6,154. That's 13,141. 13,141. So that's the total marks. So we've got the total marks. We're going to divide that by the total amount of students. Okay, we worked out at the beginning that the total amount of students was 187. Divide that by 187. Divide by 187. No, let's begin again. We've got 13,141 divided by 187. It's going to give us 70.27. Pass mark was 70. Was the mean mark for all these students greater than the pass mark? Yes. Yes, it was. So therefore, we can just write yes. We can write yes. We can put a little statement. Mean mark per student was 70.27, which is greater than the pass mark of 70.